A few days ago we reached 1,000 subscribers on my channel. Wow! Thank you so much for this milestone. The channel keeps growing, but also you guys, the community, are such a great and healthy community. What I love about making videos is the interactions. I enjoy reading your comments and I love the support, the insight and the experiences that you share with me in the comment box below the videos. That's why I want to celebrate your amazing contributions by having a reverse Q&A and asking your opinions on Cousters and the channel. I'm curious to know a little more about you guys and what content you would like me to produce in the future. So here are 10 questions for you that you can answer in the comments below. My first question is, how did you become a coaster enthusiast? Was it because you had a friend who was a coaster enthusiast? Did you play Roller Coaster Tycoon? Let me know. Second of all, I want to know if you have an unpopular opinion about roller coasters. I also want to know, what is your favorite coaster manufacturer? Is it Intamin, RMC? What do you think about New Vekoma? Question number 4. What are your favorite individual coaster elements? I'm not talking about elements in general, element type, but a specific element from a specific coaster. Expedition GeForce First Drop, for example. Question number 5 is, what is your top bucket list coaster or park? And my 6th question is, what's your favorite theme park food? What do you enjoy eating at amusement parks? I also want to ask you a few questions about my YouTube channel and coaster YouTubers in general. My question number 7 is, how did you discover my channel? Was it a video? Was it a recommendation? Did you see it on the forums? I also want to ask you, what video type would you like me to bring back? I am currently working on an obscure coasters episode, the first in over a year, and I'm curious to know if there's other series that you would like me to do over again, like the Coon Talk or the Coaster Manufacturer Analysis. Question number 9. Are there any other coaster YouTubers you would like me to watch? I'm always curious to discover different types of content, to learn more about roller coasters and also learn about different styles of video making. Feel free to recommend me creators or videos. And the final question, once the pandemic is over, where would you like me to go next? My plans are currently cancelled, but I could take your recommendations for future amusement parks. If there's anything else you want to tell me or ask me, feel free to do so. Next week I will upload a follow-up video with your answers and my reactions. Thank you again, and take care.